What's the deal with mortgage rates and housing in 2024? So mortgage rates broke past 8% for the first time in a decade. And existing home sales are in the dumps. And I know that sounds like a major bummer. But wait, before you go freaking out, let's chat about the silver linings here. Unlike the last time that home sales were this low, we don't have a boatload of empty houses sitting around. In fact, we've got a shortage. So even with fewer home sales, home prices haven't tanked. And get this, a bunch of people locked in super low rates below 3% between 2020 and 2021. So of course they aren't jumping to sell those houses just so they can go and pay 7 to 8% interest on a new home. And honestly, can you blame them? Now for some optimism about the future. The Fed has been hinting that they may be done with their massive rate hikes if inflation keeps calming down. Some even say that rates could start dropping soon. Maybe a bit of wishful thinking here, but you never know. So what's my prediction for 2024? I see rates creeping a little lower from today's highs. So don't expect a huge drop in rates unless we really get inflation under control. The Fed doesn't want to cut the rates too fast, which in turn could restart inflation. So as for housing overall, I see home sales perking back up once rates seem to stabilize, and then the fence sitters are going to get off the sidelines. Builders will work down those backlogs as supply chain issues keep improving. So affordability is going to be stretched as compared to 2020. But with more jobs, wages rising, and demographic demand still strong, I see the housing market in 2024 being bumpy, but still headed in a stronger direction. Now, all that being said, the forecast can change quickly. The biggest reason for this is we have to see what the data is going to show. But for now, hang in there. The housing market has taken some lumps, but it's proven to be very resilient. Here's to a less wild ride in 2024.